What's going on, friends and family? Today I'm going to show you how to remove a sun visor from a 2013 Kia Sorento SX. Next thing you need to do is you need to get that little plastic bracket off. And in order for you to do that, yes, you have to get a screwdriver. You have to be real careful because you're going to damage it. So stick your screwdriver in here and then try to pry this out. You see? And then it comes out of that side. Try to do it on the other side as well. Try not to, like I said, not to damage yours, but it's fine. So let's see. Once that's off, just see if you can follow it with your fingers, and then it comes right off. There we go. So now once you get this plastic piece off, I don't know, one-handed is giving me a lot of problems. There we go. Ba-ba. Once this plastic piece is off, there's two Phillips screws right here. Let's undo all those and it'll come right off. So let's go. Loosen up both screws. This should just fall right out. Let me make sure I don't drop my screw. Get the screw out, falls right out. There you go. Now, if you're just replacing that sun visor part, you don't need to take this off, but I'm taking the whole headliner off, so I need to take this one off. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Hope I could help you out. Have a wonderful day. Thanks. Bye-bye.